waiting outside the cold. Oh my god, look at my hair. And the weather is absolutely traumatic.
It's raining a lot. But yeah, we just grabbed a coffee before we head out on our 5-hour coach bus.
Thank you, Sammy Joseph, for doing that. Thank you.
But there's a sick 2-hour cruise after that. We'll also be stopping in Fiordland National Park.
I haven't actually organised this. I don't actually know where we're stopping, but I know we're going somewhere epic.
Yeah, it's sick. Can't wait. It is a very cold and rainy day here in Queenstown. Here is the Four Square, right there. We just stocking up on the supplies.
Well, supplies more like I forgot the lozenges that we needed, so
Yes.
you know.
Is it always rainy, colder? Is this like the regular weather in Queenstown? Or?
No, it's not supposed to be this way, but
Okay. Still very, very beautiful. You can see the gondola isn't running. Maybe they run at a certain time. We made our first stop in the Te Anau cafe right there. Beautiful place. It is really picturesque, but there's a cafe there while it's just there. I'm just going to go explore the town a bit and go towards the lake and get some good shots. It's looking pretty cool. Small town. Liking it so far. I saw some mountains in the distance. With some snow. Our driver was saying that it wasn't there a week ago, the snow apparently, and that snow just fell over the week, so I mean everything's falling into place for this trip, so it's pretty good. Stops. It's raining a lot. This is apparently before they head to Rohan. They're in the lakes there. So we're on our last stop before we reach Milford Sound. Guys, you gotta look at this. It's crazy. Look where I am. Just about to say, those mountains look like snow cheese chicken.
I know, and I was like, really? But you missed one of the stops we missed one of the stops where he got off in the pouring rain
For the content.
For the content. It has no headgear for the content.
Yeah.
I took it off.
Yeah.
Scenic sand.
Just made another stop. Look at this, guys. Now, I thought we were surrounded by mountains and Hooker Valley, but look at Mount Cook. This is at another level. I mean, so closely surrounded by all the mountains. And that is Mount Christie? There. Really tall mountain. But it looks so cool. What do you think? This looks incredible.
It is enormous.
Yeah, the scale of it.
It's huge and very cold.
Apparently that's the student mountain over there. Up there. Students climb that apparently. driver was like, it's the easy mountain. Yeah, sure. I don't think any of these are easy. But
Oh, hey! There's a little friend! Oh, hello!
Okay, by that beak.
He's smiling for you.
it's trying to eat the camera. Finally arrived here in Milford Sound. It's look at that. Kiara indeed.
Very sus looking wrap. It's got a falafel, so I've got a vegan one because you have combo plus falafel. I have some crisps and a cookie.
They said drinks open in 10 minutes.
And an apple.
Yeah,
Has to be healthy.
that's right.
How about you? Oh wait. Perfect. Yep.
Pie. Jumping wanted to try pies in New Zealand, so we'll see how that goes. There's chips as well. It's got an apple. Nut bars. And chopped chip muffin. Looks like.
He gets more than me.
Boy got drenched. Yeah, boy got drenched.
I do have myself clean, but yeah, like we went so close, all the water was on our face, and it's freezing.
Yeah, boy got drenched. Oh, your captain said, you look 10 years younger if you get hit by the water. Just gonna wait for that tomorrow.
Oh, this was Milford Sounds. Look at us, all drenched and everything. So anything for the content, as my husband says. Yeah.
Yeah, boy got drenched. We just finished the Milford Sound cruise. What do we think?
Love the waterfalls. Hated the weather, but love the waterfalls.
I mean, the weather did dampen a bit of the beauty of Milford Sound, is what I heard. But yeah,
Overall,
still
it was
good.
okay. It was
Still
okay.
good. Got drenched, but yeah.
But it's Carl. Hey, Carl.
Hey, Carl. You want to be in the vlog? How's it going?
This is Carl, our tour guide.
Seem a lot wetter than us. Than myself, sorry.
Kyle, the character.
He is. He does the best commentary, and he throws shade at the Australians all the time.
Yes. And, yeah, I mean, overall, yeah, like it was, rain was a bit of a dampener, but still you got to see some of the beauty.